Give it a shot of juice there, Dad.
Ready?
Yep. Wow. This year's setup is definitely a little bit better than last year. Although, I wanted to use my barrel stove. See here what I created. Playing around with that yesterday, realized how much firewood I would need to do what I want to do. But we got a warmer here. So this is just gonna warm up the sap. And this is where I'm doing most of the boiling. So thank you to my pops who purchased this nice device that has 2 burners. And that is 2 more burners than I had last year, because I only had that, and that was a long day. Oh, nice. Looks like you got the syrup already in you. Boil update. We got the manager, the supervisor, the other manager, eating some za. We got our warming pot boiling away, and then our 2 main burners with the most surface area, cooking at about 1 inch depth, a little bit more, and we're reducing. This is awesome. So just an hour, almost a little bit more than an hour in, and much farther than I was last year. So cool. All right, thanks supervisors. Multiple projects happening at once. But we got ourselves our boil container here, the warming pot. It's all done. So everything is just in there, two trays here. But gonna pass it through, filter it when I combine these 2 things, and then in the house. Excuse me, supervisor. Got ourselves my candy thermometer rigged up to hang out right in this pot, and we'll use this to finish. So 219, that is the temperature we want. Getting excited. Go back out. Rooster there looking good. Straw flowers. All right. If I get anything gritty in my syrup, I know who I'm talking to. Huh. Just kidding. Oh man. Next up, 2 becomes 1, and then it gets filtered. Down to 1, and kind of taking measurements to see what 8 cups looks like. And that is what I'm gonna finish on the stove is 8 cups. I'm supposed to get like 3.2, but I wanna have a little bit of wiggle room there. So 8 cups, kind of looking like that. Boil, filter, dropped a little temperature, and ladle into some jar.